The monkey and the log. Have you ever copied someone without thinking? This is a short story about a monkey whose curiosity teaches him a big lesson. Let's start the story. The monkey and the log. Once upon a time, a naughty monkey lived in a forest. The monkey was very curious and liked to play all day. He loved watching people and copying what they did. One day, the monkey saw two men cutting a big wooden log near a river. They used tools and worked very hard. After some time, the men went away to rest, but the log stayed there. The monkey jumped down from a tree and went near the log. He saw a long crack in the middle of the log. The monkey wanted to sit on it and play. He did not think about danger. The monkey sat on the log and put his tail inside the crack. Suddenly, the log closed. The monkey's tail got stuck. He cried loudly in pain. He tried to pull his tail out, but he could not. After some time, the men came back. They saw the monkey and understood what happened. The monkey felt very ashamed. The men helped him and freed his tail. The monkey ran away into the forest. From that day, the monkey became careful. He learned an important lesson. Never copy others without thinking. Curiosity is good, but carelessness can cause trouble. Moral of the story: think before you act. Not everything you see is safe to try. The monkey learns from his mistake. This story teaches us to think before we act. Like, share, and subscribe for more short moral stories.